well, yeah, pretty much just uploaded and got back from the village this morning, sitting answering comments on YouTube, and yeah, thought I would just go back out again. So I've grabbed my fishing kit, my hammock kit, and I'm heading down to my fish camp, do a night of fishing and some nice chill time right on the water bank, hopefully. Yeah, just walking through the city still, well, just on the outer limits of the city. Yeah, brilliant. Oh, this is a really long, hot and dusty path. Yeah, and just like I'm still walking along, like answering my comments on my phone on that video I just uploaded of the new kiln and all that. And yeah, some weird questions, like for instance, why, even though there's only 2 of us or 1 of us that go camping there at a time, why do I have 9 shelters? And my answer is, thought there was a fly on my arm there. The answer is that each shelter is a different skill set. So, you know, it's sort of personally for me, because each shelter is something that I've got really good at, and I like them there because I simply can, and it's good to refer back to stuff that you've done, you know, and see how far your skills are advanced on it. Still walking along this road, long and dusty road. Look at my skinny little arm. Look at that, like a little chicken wing. Chicken wing, a little brown chicken wing. I'm so tan now. Look at that. So beautiful and calm. Knackered. It's hard work, this walking like. Kinda glad I packed light. Be nice to catch a fish for my tea, because we've got the old ration food again. When I say ration food, I don't mean ration packs. I mean easy food. Look at that. Coming home the corner and you see the brilliance of that colour. It's pretty awesome. Still walking, almost there. So close. Matter of fact, this is the turn off here. I'm here at my fish camp. Well, the first fish camp. I'm going to fish here for maybe 2.5 hours. Then I'm going to cross the river, set up camp, and then carry on fishing. Sounds like a plan. That's my plan anyway. That's my rucksack. It's basically just some food items, my hammock, my underquilt, a tarp in case, but I don't think I'm going to need it, my sleeping bag, my fishing kit. I'll show you everything again as I'm unpacking later on. I'm going to go and find some worms. Just got the old fishing kit out. Got all my little pockets, all my little floats and glow sticks and all sorts of random stuff, hooks and weights, more weights, lures, and then in here I've got like all my larger weights. Yeah, got some little bits of bait there. I've just been away digging up. I'm going to get a line cast in and see how it feels. That's one line in. Got it over there in the corner in the quiet, because I've just seen a fish surface and go back down. Obviously chasing the flies, but if it's interested in my worm, we'll see. Fishy, 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 fishy. That always helps. So I'm just eating caramel shortbread. Got another line over there. Maybe a beautiful sunset tonight too. So when I'm across the river in my hammock, I'll be able to see it. And I might not even put a tarp up, as I say. Under the stars. Sun will be setting in about an hour, hour and a half. So my camp's going to be over there. You can see the raised little bit of cobble there. It's my fire pit. I've got my chicken legs out. My skinny white chicken legs. I'm going to just toddle across this river and get my camp set up. Pulled my lines in too. Just wearing trainers this trip. Nice and comfy. The last lip of the trip. It's actually a lot deeper than it looks in the middle there. Right up to my knees it went. Just hide my trainers over. I've just been going nice and slow because there's some really sharp cobble on the bottom of that riverbed. There's a fire pit there. Sunset's just going behind the brow over there, and much better view this side. At least I'm going to be nice and snug tonight. Comfortable, off the ground. Love it. Big old thick woodland right up the back there on a hill. Fire went up fast. Didn't take much, just a little bit of birch bark and cotton wool. Usual. Oh, it's actually nice and warm. We get cold standing on the riverbank fishing. Gets quite nippy, and the fact that I'm just wearing a t-shirt. I have a softy jacket I put on for 10 minutes too, but This is warming us right to the marrow. So many flies in that water that I should have been fly fishing. So I've got my grill angled. Since there's no fish, or since I've caught no fish, I have bacon, and I also have some hot dog buns for some reason. So I'm gonna have bacon and hot dog buns. Yep, I think that's enough bacon for one man. There we have it. Bacon in hot dog buns. Slightly crushed hot dog buns, but it happens. Nice beverage. Chilling in front of my fire. Yeah, real good. Yeah, so I've finished fishing. No luck, not even a bite, but again, I think there's too many flies around. Water's really low also, but I'm not that fussed. I had some really nice bacon sandwiches, and yeah, I've hit my hammock. I'm gonna chill for half an hour and then I'm gonna get some shut-eye, try the fishing in the morning again. And that's my fishing kit and all my bag packed up now. I'm gonna head across that river crossing over there. Yeah, awesome night's sleep, brilliant night fishing. Shame I didn't catch anything, but it wasn't such a big deal. Yeah. And that's the fish camp left all tidy and clean. And I've just made the river crossing. Don't mind getting wet on the way home. Aye. There's that tree that almost killed me. We can laugh about it now. And that's us. Almost home at last. About another, well, the end of this road and then a big hill and then another road and then I'm home. But yeah, we'll catch you all again soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and all my subscribers. Thanks for the support. We'll catch you again in the next one.